Hey, Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge that reads as follows. We see a cube here, and we're asked if each side of a cube is decreased by 3%, by what percent is the volume of the cube decreased? Okay, all right, so first thing is this is a cube, so that means that the length, width, and height are all the same. So I'm just going to call them all S. Um, okay, actually, I don't want to do that. I'm just going to do I'll call it just L, W, and H. But we know that they're all equal to each other, okay? So this is we'll call this the length. Sorry, it's supposed to be an L. This is the width, and this is the height. All right, now the volume of a cube is, of course, length times width times height. Now, when it says decreased by 3%, what does that mean? That means that the side is decreased. It is 3% smaller, which means, for example, if L is 100% of the original length, then L minus 3% of L, or in other words, 0.03 L, that represents the side of the cube minus 3% of it. Okay, so that means that's the decrease by 3%. So the way I'm going to write this is 0.97 L. Okay, now that is the new size of the length. Okay, but the same goes for the width and the height because they're all decreased by 3%. So the volume of the new cube is going to be 0.97 times the length times 0.97 times the width times 0.97 times the height. Okay? Now, by what percent is the volume of the cube decreased? What we need to do is we don't need to know the sizes of length, width, and height exactly. We need to multiply 0.97 times 0.97 times 0.97 or 0.97 cubed and see what that gives us. Okay? So 0.97 to the third power, that gives us 0.912673. Okay. Now, this doesn't represent the size of the cube. The size of the cube is 91.2673% small of the other one. But the percent smaller is going to be 1 minus this. So 1 minus, I'm going to say 0.9127. So that gives us 0.0873, which is, in other words, 8.73% smaller. Smaller volume specifically. Okay? And that's that. Let me know if you got that answer. And if you solved it a different way, then definitely share how you got it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.